Podcast title, Learn English with Shadowing. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast, Read, Learn, Listen. Today, we will talk about a very useful way to learn English. The method is called shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple way to practice English. You listen to English, and at the same time, you speak with it. You try to repeat the words as you hear them. You do not wait. You speak together with the audio. It is like being a shadow. A shadow follows you everywhere. In the same way, you follow the speaker. This method helps you improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. Let's understand it with an example. You play a short audio. For example, "Hello, how are you today?" You listen and speak at the same time. "Hello, how are you today?" At first, it is not easy. You may feel slow. You may miss some words. That is okay. Do not worry. Practice every day and you will get better. Now, let's talk about why shadowing is good. First, it helps your pronunciation. You hear how native speakers talk. You copy their sound, stress, and rhythm. Second, it helps your listening. You learn to understand English faster. Your brain becomes active. Third, it helps your speaking. You speak more. You feel more confident. Now, how can you practice shadowing? Here are some easy steps. Step 1. Choose easy audio. Pick something short and simple. For A2 level, choose slow English. You can use podcasts, YouTube videos, or language apps. Step 2. Listen first. Listen 1 or 2 times. Try to understand the meaning. Step 3. Start shadowing. Play the audio again. Speak with the speaker. Do not stop. Do not pause. Step 4. Repeat many times. Practice the same audio 3 or 4 times. Repetition is important. Step 5. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day is very helpful. Here are some tips for better shadowing. Speak clearly. Do not speak too fast. Try to be correct, not fast. Use headphones. This helps you hear better. Stand or walk. Some people speak better when they move. Be patient. Learning takes time. Do not give up. Now, let's do a short practice together. Listen and repeat. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. This method is easy and useful. This method is easy and useful. I want to speak English well. I want to speak English well. Great job! Before we finish, remember this. Shadowing is simple but very powerful. You listen, you repeat, and you improve. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Practice every day and you will see progress. Thank you for listening to Read, Learn, Listen. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. See you in the next episode.